Science is the systematic study of the natural world through observation, experimentation, and analysis. It seeks to understand how things work, uncovering the rules and patterns that govern the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Science is grounded in objectivity and evidence, aiming to produce reliable knowledge that can be tested and verified by others. Scientific thinking is a way of approaching questions and problems in a logical, structured manner. It involves critical thinking, curiosity, and skepticism. Rather than accepting information at face value, scientific thinking encourages questioning, seeking evidence, testing hypotheses, and being open to new ideas and revisions based on evidence. Key aspects include 1. Observation, gathering data through the senses or instruments. 2. Hypothesis, forming a possible explanation that can be tested. 3. Experimentation, conducting controlled tests to observe outcomes. 4. Analysis, interpreting data to see if it supports or refutes the hypothesis. 5. Reproducibility, ensuring results can be consistently replicated. Scientific thinking is foundational not only in science but also in everyday decision making. By evaluating evidence critically, we make more informed, logical, and effective decisions. If you want to improve your science knowledge and develop scientific thinking, listen more science-based lectures, videos and podcasts, and read more science books. Learn science and chemistry with www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. And if you love science, get our science book titled Interesting Facts About All Elements of Periodic Table from Amazon, Flipkart, Google Books, and Apple Books.